I'm working on a you can't see it very well, 2016 Subaru Outback, changing a rear wheel bearing that's growling. These things are notoriously hard to get off. That's on about every vehicle, not just Subarus. They rust in here. I've already detached everything. You can watch other videos on that. I made sure this was loose. I can kind of push this through so that doesn't come off with it. I've already pushed it in, so unfortunately I can't show you me pushing that in, but that was real loose in there. But I've saved an old brake rotor from a previous brake change on this, and I'm going to put it on the other way to give me a surface to beat on this car, and then it should pop right out. So here's my 2016 Subaru. I've got my old brake rotor mounted on the reverse way, mount it back up like it's a wheel. I'm going to use my mini sledge here and beat on it. Unfortunately, I don't have a camera person, so you're just going to have to take my word for it. Well, the mini sledge didn't work, so I'm getting out my 12-pound sledge. Hopefully this works pretty quick. My 3/4 ton Dodge, I had to beat on it for an hour to get it off there. I'm hoping it doesn't take this long. Well, that worked. It takes a little persuasion. You got to hit it up over here where the gap is with the big sledge, and take your little sledge and hit it over on this side and the bottom, the top, and so forth. And it comes out. Now it's time to get this shield off, and we'll be ready to install the new bearing. But that's all I really wanted to show you, was this trick of taking an old brake rotor, mounting it on reverse, and give you a surface to beat on. I had to beat on it for, I don't know, 10 minutes.